This is just a quick tutorial on how to submit to Swift permits. First, you got to be on the internet. You can do this from your phone, laptop, tablet, doesn't matter. I got a computer in front of me, so I'm going to do this. You're going to go to swift-permits.com. There is a hyphen. Don't forget it. It's very important. At the top right-hand corner, you see this orange button, Submit a Project. There's a drop-down, two options. You can either do licensed professional or owner builder. Licensed professional means you have a contractor, or maybe you are the contractor. Owner builder, that's pretty self-explanatory. For the sake of this video, I'm going to fill out the licensed professional form because it asks all the same stuff as owner builder, except contracting details as well. Look at that. We got one already filled out. So what's the project name? Smith ADU in backyard, because, well, you're doing an ADU in the backyard at 123 Cool Beans Road in Scranton. Point of contact is who are we reaching out to, sending updates, estimates, talking to you the very beginning of the project to see if maybe it's feasible or not. Be Alyssa Jones with her email, phone number, company name, and contractor's license. Then we do ask for the property owner's information. Why? Not because we want to reach out to them, but because the city asks for it. So why don't we just get this information up front? That way we're prepped to fill out all the applications properly. The last two things are scope of work. This is where you can go wild. Give me a novel if you want, describing everything about the project or just a couple sentences. I gave you just something rough saying it's an 800 square foot ADU, retaining wall, patio cover, a spa with the depth. Then you can upload files. This is important. This accommodates 10 times what a single email can. Really awesome to submit these things on here because we also get more eyes on the project right away. Anyways, check these two boxes, click submit.